Come on, there it is. No! Maybe I need to attack it wider. Excuse me. That's my shameless plug here. Bam! One day, Dom. One day, maybe Heineken be like, yo, that guy, he seems like he's an okay dude. I'm kidding. I don't want them to think that. I would be so disappointed if they thought I was a nice guy. Ah! Okay, here we go. Maybe I'll just comment, you know what, I'll do the opposite of what I think. Yeah, I did the, oh, I still failed. I'm gonna try the opposite of what I think again though. Okay, we're coming in. You know what, this might work. I was trying to drive it like a real... Oh, yes! Alright, now I gotta back up here. This might give us a good line. Should I get the line here? Nope. No. Oh, maybe. Just try and force it. No, I lost it.